Hi guys, just to show in this video, after they poured concrete for slab, they did saw cut joints, like each 20-foot square. You can see saw cut joints. Saw cut joints. Okay guys, then they did the chalk line for the metal stud framing. Here they have mob sink, so that's the plumbing you need to do the drain this way. You can see electrical started this work, because here they have 2 inches Z foreign, and then that MC will be running through the Z foreign and the installation. You can see boxes, elevation, expansion joints, and here you can see 6 inches metal stud framing, and here 4 inches, like 358. Here you can see for the door opening. Here there's a door. They will do headers here. They will do headers, and here you can see how they supported the metal stud to the steel roof decking. Okay, you can see that's opening here, opening for door, chalk line. Okay guys, here you can see the inlet shot in, you can see. Same thing here. Here they put concrete. They need to grind it. You can see there's a crack here. They need to grind it. That's the drain. That's the drain, lower drain. You can see chalk line. That's the drain. It's higher than concrete elevation. Okay. You can see MC. Okay, metal stud framing here. Here you can see dingy glass here for the opening. Here we did fill in block for the I-beam. You can see. Here that's concrete, no block. Same thing over there, the opening, concrete, no block. And here you can see roughened plumbing. All those pipe inside the wall. That's great work from the plumbing, That's 6 inches metal stud. With the stud measurement, he give you, that's 6 inches, so that's 6 inches zero exactly. But like in wood, blocking 2x6 is like 5.5 inch. But with metal, give you exactly, so that is 4 inches. 4 inches. Okay, and that is 6 inches. Here you can see the header above door opening, and here that's opening. Okay, you can see they supported. So how they did. So that's the best. That's good header. Okay. They need to come back and put like J and King here. They are ready for header here and there. Opening. They will come and cut it. You can see how they supported here. Okay guys, you can see plumbing. That's for the mop sink. Yeah, you can see they cut here. Yeah, nail shooting. You can see they're using this. Here. So electrical work started. Okay. All the plumbing inside the wall. That's good. And here, that's the bathroom room. That's the toilet. Okay. Same thing like here. That's women toilet. That's main toilet here. Okay, guys, we have roof penetration. So rough slab, good finish. Saw cut joint. Look like 10 times 10. Okay, guys, like square. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Here you can see plumbing. That's in the wall. Everything is good. Here electrical work, water line running through sleeve, electrical work. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you, guys. Bye.